We install, repair, replace, upgrade all the communications, navigation equipment that the pilots use for their flights and pretty much everything. My name is Tech Sergeant Derek Williams. I'm a Comm Nav troop, working here on C-130Js. I like this job because I've always liked electronics, and I'm a bit of a mechanic, so this is a good way to put them both together. I get to work on electronics, and I get to remove and replace parts and do the troubleshooting, and I like to know how things work and what makes them work, so it's a nice challenge. It's given me a lot of opportunities, especially like advancement, working with a lot of different people from different places, and you get to travel. You get to travel, see new places, do new things, so it's just pretty good experiences.
Hi, I'm Sarah Arribas, and I'm a senior airman working in Avionics, Comm Nav, and ECM. Our job is important because if, for example, the navigation system isn't working, then the pilots wouldn't know where to go, or the plane could be in a grounded condition, and then it wouldn't be able to complete its mission. The technical school is at Shepherd Air Force Base, and it consisted of like two parts, where one was avionics fundamentals, where you learn a lot about circuitry, and then the second part was specific to Comm Nav, and you would learn how the radios work or how the navigation systems work. Outside of the Air Force, I'm a student at the University of Rhode Island, and I study electrical engineering. Working in the Air Force on the avionics systems gives me hands-on experience that I would never get in the classroom. If you're the kind of person who likes to take things apart and put them back together to see how they work, then this is a job for you.
The fast-paced and ever-changing world of technology is filled with constant challenge. Here at the 134th Air Refueling Wing, technicians from the Avionics Integrated Systems Shop feel this every day as they work to maintain the 50-plus-year-old KC-135R aircraft. These aircraft, though old, have been upgraded with new avionics systems, but this in itself has proven challenging.
So you have these old systems that integrate with new systems. They don't talk the same language.
This challenge is met with a combination of tenacity and teamwork. The avionics shop relies on the experience of those in their shop and other airmen in the KC-135 community to solve the complex issues they face every day.
We all work the same systems, but when we get together, we see how differently we work those systems. And just like our integrated systems, when you integrate the personnel, it gets so efficient.
The integration of experience and personalities has been essential to solving challenges in the complex environment of avionics systems. The answers are not always cut and dry, and it is not unheard of to have a problem take multiple personnel several days to solve.
With integration comes complexity. With complexity, if you have an issue, comes a lot of troubleshooting. And with the troubleshooting, it's a challenge.
And while they explore ways to solve the current problems they face, they cannot forget that there will be more opportunities for change and challenge in the future.
Technology is so fast, so progressive. By the time you install something, there's already something newer and better.
Reporting from the I.G. Brown Training and Education Center, this is Master Sgt. Jennifer Shirar.
Utah Air National Guard is the test det, which essentially means that we bring new systems online that are getting tested, and we are the tip of the spear for that. We bring in systems that integrate us better with data link capabilities that can help us talk to other aircraft and ground troops, and we are here to test and provide that for the entire fleet. I was in the Navy Reserve prior and didn't feel that I was able to contribute as much as I wanted to, and I was able to really come here and have an impact from day one, working on systems and learning from peers and, you know, really getting the military and Air Force experience.
The radar pretty much touches every single component of what its main missions are. My name is Staff Sgt. Corey Kirchhoff, and I'm a communications navigations craftsman. We work on all radio and radio navigation systems on the plane. So anything they use to talk to ground units, to include Special Operations Forces or other aircraft. Using our radar system, they can fly 250 feet off the ground, and that allows them to fly under detection systems. It also allows them to do resupplies and infill-exfil of any Special Operations Forces.
My name is Major Brian Berg. I'm a combat systems operator on the MC-130H. Our navigation system and our radar system makes us unique. Nobody else in the Air Force has this ability. That's terrain following, terrain avoidance radar system that allows us to get that low in all weather conditions.
Seeing a plane launch, knowing that it's going to do a world-changing mission, and knowing that you had a big part of that, it really makes me proud to be a maintainer in the United States Air Force.